We go to our communities, in physical places quite often, not only for that sense of welcoming, but also for that sense of safety.
Many people in the LGBTQ community say meetups and social gatherings were the place they could truly be themselves. But with public gatherings being banned and people being asked to stay home in recent weeks, many say they feel isolated.
Of course, isolation is a huge one, particularly in, amongst our seniors, amongst our elders.
Emma is with Outlink Calgary. She says the pandemic is exacerbating all the issues they already faced.
Many of, the folks in our community don't have adequate housing, and those who do still may or may not have access to the technologies that we're now using to connect.
According to the LGBT Foundation in the States, those in the community are more likely to have mental health and substance abuse issues in general. Now these issues are worsened by a lack of in-person supports and a normal routine.
Lots of the folks that I do, peer supports with have been really talking about that sense of loss and hopelessness and this idea of, they had something to look forward to and now they don't.
Something they look forward to is Calgary's Pride Festival, an annual celebration and protest for LGBTQ rights and freedoms. It was planned for August 28th to September 6th. On April 29th, it was announced it would be reimagined to be more of a virtual event.
It's quite upsetting to, hear that that's not going to be happening in that capacity, especially for those people that, Pride is, the one space where they get to feel, fully themselves and welcome and at home.
Outlink Calgary is pacing themselves during this pandemic, meeting with groups and individuals daily and weekly to do what they can to absolve disconnection and isolation.
We'll reach out to you every week to see how you're doing, to have a chat, to see if there's anything that you need.
In Calgary, Taylor Braat, City News.